So the first step in developing a data culture is data literacy. People in your organization must understand what data do I have, what sense can I make out of it. It's only then they will know how they can make use of it. You must lead by data. If the CEO doesn't ask for data, nobody else will produce the data. You have to lead by example, to say, show me the data, explain it to me, tell me how this is working. Develop a culture where data is important, people understand what they have, they should be focused on their goals, they should have an inquisitive mind. You lead through data, let them do testing, let there be open sharing, do trials, test it, be iterative in nature, and that's how you build a data culture.